Right, good morning, guys. Good morning, good afternoon. Happy Tuesday, everyone. Happy Tuesday, happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday, happy Tuesday. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. We'll get started in a few minutes. So, good news for everyone with T+1. I will go over it, what it means, because everyone's going to ask me what it is because they don't understand. It's not anything complicated. It's very easy to understand. So I'll wait till we get more people in here. Right, I'm going to go through Twitter and then I will go through YouTube as normal. So FFIE. FFIE is just on this trend line. I don't like FFIE right now. There's nothing worth getting in on this. No chance. Low volume at the moment. The hype is done with this in my opinion for now. But it is setting up for a possible breakout. However, you just need to keep this on watch. That's all I would do. Just keep this on watch. As long as it stays in this pattern, this bullish pennant, you should be fine. So this is still bullish as long as it holds that level. If it breaks below the support, it is no longer valid and therefore no longer bullish. Therefore, you do not expect it to go up. 14%. Well done, well done, well done. Agri, I've posted Agri, but I'll do it again. I will explain something to you guys so you guys can understand something. I know most of you are new to trading, so I will explain something that will be extremely easy for everyone to understand about my charts. Agri is just ranging. Nothing on Agri. Absolutely nothing. Leave it. Leave Agri alone. Right. Let me just see. Is the volume okay? Let me know. Is the volume okay? Hello, hello, hello. Let me check. Let me check this OBS. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Hello, hello, hello. Perfect. Right. Let me go through some Twitter. Agri. I went over. Not interested. If people tag me in with other traders, I don't care about other traders, guys. Please don't get me involved with others. I stay in my own lane. I'm not here to pump and dump. I'm not here to... I trade completely different to most other traders. They trade based off just pretty much pushing everything up. I'm trading based off technicals. I share technicals. Technicals is how I trade. 0.4. These are your next levels for Peggy. So Peggy closed above here. I mentioned the Discord. If it closed above that, you can still enter. I think people are in it. But yeah, gave it to you guys even before the downtrend broke earlier today. Gave it on the watch list today. So did Hassie. So most people should be in that trade. Well done if you did grab it. I did not grab it. I was busy just in the Discord chilling. All right, so we have Peggy here. These are your key levels, Peggy, key levels. So these are key levels. Now it's breaking this, high probability to go this. Breaks that, high probability to go up. That's simply how it is. Strongest play at the moment, strong bullish momentum, expecting continuation. NBY, any update? NBY, there is nothing on this, I don't think. Yeah, NBY is nothing, guys. Nothing, nothing, nothing. When I share you guys a chart, I highly recommend you save it and copy exactly how it is so then you can look and see has anything changed. 9 times out of 10 it has not changed with these low volume plays. Nothing has changed. Just going to be very blatant and honest with you guys how the chart is, because if it's not doing anything, it is not doing anything. I'm not going to try and tell you it's going to go up. Right, good morning. Let me go through some things here. Okay, so everyone's asking about hollow. Please understand this. Everyone, turn on your minds. Write this down. Put it on your phone. This is in a 4-hour time frame. What does that mean? It means that this is a longer time frame than normal. Normally we use the 5-minute for day trading. There is, if you're using a larger time frame like the 4-hour, daily, weekly, 1 hour, 30 minutes, it's going to take a much longer time for the play to move, okay? However, the fact that this is in a bullish or falling wedge, okay, if you don't know what that is, it is a bullish reversal pattern, meaning the price is going from a bearish movement to, right, what is expected is a bullish move. So this means Right here is a good entry point. There is a higher probability of this trade going up than going down. There is no 100% chance of this going up. There is no 100% chance it's going down. There is at least, I would say, 60 to 65, 70% chance that this will go up, then go down. If it breaks below this pattern here, below this support line here, this yellow line, I will put it in yellow. If it breaks below that, it is no longer valid. It is not a valid trade. It is not bullish anymore. However, entering anywhere inside this is a bullish chart pattern. You expect it to go up. That is why I took the trade. It's a larger time frame. There is more confirmation. There is a higher probability that it will go up. As opposed, if this was on the 1 minute chart, there is a higher risk that it will go up, right? Because there is less confirmation because it's only 1 minute of time frame that this has happened on. This has happened for 4 hours here, these candles. We can count all of these. I'm not really interested in it, but you can see that this has been setting up for a perfect chance for this to break up. It does not mean that it's going to do it 100%. I don't know when it will do it, okay? We still have, maybe it can take another 8 hours. I don't know, but there is a high probability that it will go up. I really hope that makes sense for everybody, all right? If it doesn't, let me know. Peggy, yes. Peggy's crazy, crazy, crazy. Good morning, good morning. Yes, happy T+1. Let's go. Right, T+1. Who doesn't know what T+1 is? And I'll explain it. If you don't know what it is, I'll explain it. Hollow, hollow, hollow. Volume is okay. Yeah, market's not as strong as I thought it would be, but we'll see. VHAI. Everyone loves VHAI. Please save this chart, guys. Everybody save this. Everybody. Every single person on here, please save this. Everyone's asking about VHAI. VHAI. I don't know why. This is what I have. Here is the demand zone. Here's the uptrend. If it pulls back to the down to this trend line, maybe it's good entries. Do not try and buy here because this is in no man's land. Yes, it is probably pushing to this level is the next resistance level here. Save this chart, please, everybody, so I don't have to post it. This is the chart here, right here, 4-hour chart. If you're looking on the 5-minute chart, there is not much going on. If you're trying to look for an entry on this, you have to wait for the downtrend break, like this. So that is what we have. 5 for 5. GWAV is in demand zone. It looked like it was trying to reverse the last time I saw it. Where's GWAV? Here. Yeah, GWAV volume's coming in, but at the moment, guys, I don't know. I think the hype is pretty much done on these things. I don't know what's going on. I don't really care, but I'm just keep updating this because I know a lot of my followers are looking to buy this play. This is a better entry to look here than trying to buy it here or somewhere around here. Yes, if you want to buy here, I would cut your loss underneath the demand zone. So if you enter now, stop loss is below demand zone. That is how I would trade it. So yes, if you want to enter now, you can do so. I'm not touching it, but if you enter, stop loss is below demand zone. You have OPTT. OPTT, there is 34% right now. All I would do is just mark the high. Guys, if you can all do me a favor, we have 100 people in here. At least get to at least 30, 40 likes. It is free to do so. We currently have 14 likes. Once we get to 40 likes, I will continue doing some more charts for everyone. But the least you guys can do is simply just like it. It helps the channel grow a lot. Put a lot of time and effort. I spend a lot of my time charting for you guys pretty much every day. So if you could do that in return, I would greatly appreciate it, please. You need to wait for 0.28 on this level, on this OPTT. If it breaks above that, then you can look for possible entries. Trying to enter now is an extremely high risk, not a good chance to enter the trade. Why? Because every time it gets to this level, it does reject. If it closes above this 0.28, there is a high probability it will go up. Just simply wait. So OPTT, wait for break above 0.28. Simple. If it breaks above, enter. If it doesn't, don't enter. Make it easy for yourself. So that is it. The reason why I said 0.28 is because this is resistance. Pre-market high is up here, but that's the 8 AM candle. I would just focus on these levels I've given. GWAV, me, POAI. POAI, yeah. Members in Discord are in it. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Yeah, looks good. Well done for members in the Discord. If you jumped in with me, congratulations. Congratulations. 5-minute charts looking great. Very easy trade on this. Let's see if we can get above. Yeah, I need more. We need more. It needs to hold the support level. We'll see. Did you do Kraken? No, I haven't. Kraken and then we'll follow together. But yeah, Kraken's right here. 10-minute chart on this. So Kraken's like this. So it broke above the trend line. Now we have break above, maybe retest here, and then push up. So this is my prediction on Kraken. So here's my Kraken. Everyone loves this. Predictions. Prediction. Right. Prediction. See how many likes we have here. Let's see. 53 likes. Let's keep going, guys. Great stuff. Great stuff. Kraken, yeah. I just did Kraken. I expect it to continue to go up. We'll see. TUP is just a meme stock. It's probably up. Yeah, it's up a little bit with the rest of game and all them. Right now, I would not be touching this at all, simply because it is ranging. You don't want to buy stock when it's ranging because there is a high risk that it will come down. There is a probability that this will be a big move to the upside, but we do not know that until it breaks above 215. Please mark TUP 215, whoever asked. Please, can you do that? Right? If it breaks above 215, you can enter the trade. That is simple as that. Nothing now. Do not try and enter now. You're gambling if you do. Appreciate you. No worries, bro. Do you think Peggy will hit $1? Let me get my crystal ball quickly. Give me 1 second. Let me get my crystal ball real quick. Right. Let's think about this. Who asked that question? Mr. Mo. Mo, listen here, brother. You are thinking that this is going to run, right? You're asking if this is going to run 230%, right? That is your question. Do I think it's going to run 230% today? No. That is your answer. Is the stock bullish? Yes. Does that mean it's going to go to $1? No. Play the levels, right? Zoom out of the chart, use a larger time frame like the 4 hour, look left on the chart, identify what is going on. Where are the next possible charts, right? Where's the next levels that this stock can go to? Don't look at $1, $2, $3, $4, $5. Focus on what's in front of you. Look for 5, 10, 15%. Don't try and hold for 100%. If you're going to be holding for 100%, you are going to be living on the streets for the rest of your life. Be realistic when you trade. Please, guys, stop doing all this BS with holding for these plays. I understand some of you, yes, maybe long-term swing trades, whatever, but I'm being realistic and I'm showing you levels that is a probability of happening now is what you're looking for, right? You're not looking for the next 2 years. That's why these are the next levels. It's very simple what this means. If it breaks above this level here, it's going to push up there. If it breaks above this level, it's going to go to here. Breaks above there, then there. Eventually, maybe it will get to $1, right? If it doesn't, then it won't, right? It's not a big deal, but you should never be holding for 250% move. It's a very, very difficult task, to be honest. Just going to be honest with you, bro. If I knew the stock was around 250%, I would go to a bank right now and rob it. Actually, I wouldn't even need to rob it because I would make 230% back from it. So just be realistic, guys. Be very realistic. Focus on the key levels in front of you. Don't try and hold for these stupid 200, 500% moves. It's not realistic. Is it going to go there? I don't know. Is there a probability? Of course there is. There's also a probability of going down 200%. Here. These are your levels on OBLG. There's nothing really on this. I know it's up 35%. I would wait for... I mean, it could be maybe reversing here. Look. Orange here. So you could wait. Higher risk entries would be above here. 0.244. Like this. Around here. The reason why is because this is a resistance level. So if it breaks above this resistance level, look, clean range to the upside to here. You can use this level here. So OBLG, wait for break above 2.44. OBLG, wait for break above 2440. I'll get to your questions now, guys. Just give me a minute. I have to catch up with everyone. I'm trying to make sure I go through everyone's questions because then they don't have to repeat themselves. OBLG, right, let's see. OBLG, Mo, if you knew the answer exactly. No worries, Medell, no worries. I hope that helps. BITIF is Bitcoin, right? Blockchain. BITF. Yeah. Up 11%. Yeah, I mean, right now, if I can tell you what's going on, I'm pretty sure it's following Bitcoin's chart, right? But here, strong uptrend. I'm assuming you're looking for next levels. I would use the 4-hour and focus on that. So you have this next resistance here, which is 263. 263, then you have here this level. So these are your levels right now. I would focus on, maybe if it pulls back to 212, maybe look for re-entries or entries there. That would be possibly a good way to look at it for now. Thanks for the tips, BTF. Congratulations. Woohoo. 100 likes. We're going to get 100 likes today. Let's do it, guys. Come on, come on. 58 likes, 113 people. Let's get it. BITF, FFIE. FFIE is here. Where is FFIE? Oh, it's right here. Yeah, FFIE is looking alright. As long as it holds this pattern, you're fine. This is it. It's still in a bullish pennant, meaning you expect price to break up, up, up. Look, here, to here, to here, to here, to here, to here, and then boom. That's what we expect to happen, right? There is a higher probability of this trade going up than going down. That is as simple as it is. So instead of your chances being 50-50 of it going up and down, this raises the probability of it being higher to go up, meaning this would probably be, I would say 60%, right? 70% that this is to go up, then down. These are the kind of trades you want to take. What's your favorite for the 4-hour chart? I don't know, bro. I haven't looked at all the charts. I don't really know. I don't really look at the 4-hour. I don't focus on that too much. I just use the 4-hour for key levels. But for me, I just literally zoom out, use the 4-hour if there's low volume and just identify the levels. But 4-hour is hollow. That's the best one that I would say. That's the one that I'm in. I've mentioned about 100 times in Discord. I've mentioned on Twitter. I've mentioned it all over the world. Everyone and their grandmother should be in that play. And everyone can thank me later. What's your favorite BRSH? BRSH, nothing. Nothing on BRSH. It was ranging. Look, nothing unless it breaks 0.17, 0.17. Therefore, please copy this chart. Copy this exactly how it is. If it breaks above 0.17, you can enter the trade. Do not try and enter now. Do not. No, no, no. ONMD, I like this setup, but it needs to hold this bullish pennant. Maybe it'll push off here. Let's see. But yeah, we would have to wait and see. Come on, man. Tell us the next one. I wish, bro. I wish. I wish, if guys. I wish. I do my best to give you guys the best setups. I try. AGBA is good. Look, bullish. Double bottom. I gave it to you guys here as well. So it's pushing up very nicely. Looks good. I mean, support is 250, and then now next level you have is 285. 285 and $3. VLCN. I'll go over this T+1 because people are asking about it. VLCN. What do we think of a VLCN? Everybody can answer this one. Downtrend. Wait for downtrend to break, bro. If it breaks that, then you can look for entries. Nothing now. Nothing now. Nothing now. AMC is going to just follow what game's doing. You need to wait for this break. I would even use this. Yeah. What is this? 518. Yeah. This has always been a big level here on this. 518. Wait for 518, break above. Break above 518, you can look for entries. So 518 break will get this thing moving. So AMC, 518, 518 break. All right. And wait for the downtrend again, Peggy, or still to get in together now. If the stock is going down, do not try and enter it. So look, this is a very easy trade. This is extremely, extremely easy. Do not try and enter now. Why are you going to try and enter the trade when it's in a downtrend? Please do not try and get in trades like this. This is a no-go. No, no, no. Look, what you can do is you can wait for it to pull back to this level here, around this range right here. I'll do a prediction for you guys. Right? and you can wait and see what it does do. But I would not try and enter now. You can just draw a trend line on the 5 minute. Draw a trend line on the 5 minute. Wait for it to break above. If it breaks above that trend line, then you can enter the trade. Do not try and gamble when it's in no man's land, because that is where you're going to probably lose. And at the end of the day, you might have had the right bias of it going up, but you probably cut it because you were down 20%, because that's where it was pulling back to. So look, I'll explain to you with Peggy. It's a very simple trade. Why have I chosen this level? Look left. This was a previous high of day. It broke above it. There's a high probability it'll pull back to here. If it doesn't, all you need to do is simply just do this. Draw the trend line. There's your trend line. Breaks above the trend line, it will probably continue to go up. If it doesn't break the trend line, then you do not enter. Look for entries around here or wait for the trend line to break. That's all you need to do. Riot platforms purposes. Oh, cool, 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 cool. I don't know volume BCTX. Let me have a look. Oh, wait, I might need to do that. I need to... Does anyone know how I fix that? Sensitive content thing. Let me do that quickly. It keeps saying it. I don't know. I think I changed my settings. That's my fault. I put it on sensitive. Shit. That's my bad. I was trying to turn it off because I kept getting it. Security and privacy. Here. I got it. Oh, here we go. There we go. Fixed it. Alright, I fixed it, bro. Guys, I fixed that issue. It should be gone. Let me know. Sorry. Yeah, I'll go through GWAV and Peggy now, bro. I've just gone over Peggy. Can you see it? If you don't, go. I don't know what you need to do. Fast forward the thing. I've gone over it. GWAV, there's nothing. Look here. GWAV, nothing. Down. It's in the demand zone. If you want to enter, go ahead. Enter it. That is how you have it. BCTX, yeah. Okay, so T plus 1. Currently, right now, if you are under 25k, you are restricted to PDT rule, meaning you can only do 3 maximum day trades, okay? However, what the issue is that once you bought, say you have $1,000 account, okay? If you use your full $1,000 account today, right, it will only settle, right, today's Tuesday, it'll only settle on Thursday. Now with this change to T plus 1 instead of T plus 2, if you use your full $1,000 today, it will settle tomorrow so you can use it tomorrow. That is it. I don't know if you're still restricted to 3 day trades, but yeah, that's it. POAI, congratulations. I am still holding my POAI. I am in it. Very, very easy trade. Woohoo. How many people got in it? Members in the Discord, how many of you guys got in? Got in. Go. Holo is still just chilling, guys. It's literally just chilling. It's going to go up and down, up and down. I don't know how long it will take, but I know that there is a higher probability of going up than down. Therefore, I am taking the trade. Okay, let me go through some Twitter stuff. SWIN. SWIN's running. Add this to the watch list. Now we can go to the 4 hour, identify what's going on. Ew, this chart is terrible. I do not like this chart at all. It's not my kind of style of trade. I will remove this from my watch lists. Yeah, nothing on this. Nothing on this trade. Guys, I'll just be honest with you. If there's no trade, I'm not going to even share a chart. There's just no reason to. Don't want to waste your time. GameStop, everybody loves GameStop. GameStop needs 25.33. I posted this earlier. Needs 25.33. All right. I'm just going through some of the Twitter posts here. Verb, falling wedge, correct. SLNA, nice. Kraken, yes. LIDR, let me have a look. LIDR, I like this setup. I like this chart, but the stock is a bit weird. It never really holds its gains. So You can see that it's a bit of a choppy chart here. We have to just mark where's like a resistance around here. So I would wait for this level, for at least for it to get some continuation, because right now there's no real trend, so it's a bit difficult to try and enter this. So I would say wait for 447 on Lido. Wait for 447. Yeah, 447 break. Love. I think maybe Hassie might want this trade. I'll share it with him actually. All right. Are you in Peggy? No, I'm not in Peggy. I'm not in Peggy. Yes, PDED rules still affect if your margin counts, so switch to cash and P2. Okay, cool. Yeah. So guys, just you guys, if you have if switch to a cash account, right? So switch to a cash account, and then all you need to do is, how do you get daily runner? You can use Webull. There's loads of it. There's loads of different ones. There's no, like, here's the website right here. There's no secret to it, guys. There's investing.com. There's all of them have the same thing. They all have top gainers. It's not a cheat or anything. Yeah, switch to a cash account. Therefore, you can do unlimited day trades with your amount of money, and then the next day it will just settle. So I would say do a minimum of 2 trades, maximum 5 day trades a day. That's what I stick to. Did we talk about BNED? We haven't talked about them, no. BNED. This is just going to go with the meme plays. So at the moment, it wasn't a falling wedge. Let's see, maybe we can try and sharpen this trade up a bit. Yeah, I mean, it's still kind of setting up for a breakout. Similar chart to Hollow. Yeah, so yeah, it's a falling wedge-ish. It's holding demand zone. This is a meme play, I think. This is a meme setup. NVAX. Let me have a look at NVAX. So NVAX right now, there's nothing going on. So clean the chart up. Where's the last red candle? Right here. So we have this as a demand zone. Right, so here's your demand zone like this. And then we identify the trend. What is the trend? Bullish, bearish, or ranging? We can clearly see that this is in a bearish trend. Therefore, we do not want to enter this trade. So right now, wait for downtrend break on MVAX. MVAX, wait for downtrend break. So this one's simple. If it comes into demand zone, maybe you can look for entries. If it breaks downtrend, maybe you can look for entries. That's how I would approach this play. MGOL. MGOL, nothing on MGOL. New demand zone here. Doesn't look great at the moment. Simply just draw the trend. Trend is currently bearish. If it breaks the downtrend, maybe you can look for entries. Possible falling wedge, maybe, I don't know, but the volume is a little small. I'll just share this setup. Here's your current setup for MGOL. So MGOL current setup. Current setup. All right. TIRX. TIRX, there's nothing on this. Someone asked me earlier. Yeah, it needs to break above this level. What is this? 318. It's trying to break above here. Wait, what? Use this here, this level. Whatever this is. 322, break above. Wait for 322, break above. Then maybe you can look for entries. But remember, you have this in the way. 350. That's your next resistance level. But it has high probability of going up if it breaks above that. How do you know when it's cooking? What do you see in the volume? What do you know? The stock is very bullish. Very, very simple to do that. All I do is I can see by the candles. If the candles are large like these, then it indicates there's a lot of volume, right? If you want to understand what the volume is, you can use the indicator volume like this, and you can see, right? Compare this to Peggy, where you can see the volume. There's a lot of volume. Now it's dying. Same as that. This might be good possible entries here on Peggy, just saying. But all I do is I just identify that I'm very good at identifying reversals. I'm very good at finding where the support levels are. From there, that is where you can start to see that if it starts to reverse and it's a runner, there is a high probability that it will probably start to run. So the volume is a big factor. For me, I don't really look at how much the volume is because I pretty much can tell from the trades if it's a bullish, if it's got enough volume to enter trade or not. You can just see by the volatility of the candles, right? If you're looking at another stock that has no volume, let's say like Indo, like this, I can tell you there's no volume on here. But if I compare that to Peggy, which I know is up because up 62%, that is why I would look at this trade rather than the other one. So if you know that it's cooking or whatever, I just mess around. It's just I'm just trying to be funny, but it just means that the stock has a high probability of going up and it's pretty much getting ready to go. When you're trading, what is the best? There is no best time frame, Greg. So you can use the 1 minute. You can be a pro on the 1 minute, 5 minute, daily, weekly, 1 second, 30 second, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, whatever time frame. There is no best time frame. However, if you want to become a day trader, 5 minute is a very good time frame to use. But that is not the best time frame. It depends how your strategy is, how your style is, how you like trading. It really just depends on the person. But for me, I like to day trade on the 5 minute chart. It gives me enough confirmation and it also gives me enough time to enter my trades. STSS is looking good. I gave this here for the Discord. I said everyone can enter here and it went up 20%. So now it's pulling back into demand zone. Maybe this will be good for entries. But look, the reason why this is demand zone, last red candle here, just use this range and then, yeah. That is what we have on that. How do you get the daily runner list? Daily runner list is right there. Weeble. It's right there, guys. I've posted game. Nothing unless it breaks 25.33 right here. Resistance breaks above. Room to $32. IBR takes $3 sell cash account. Muda, it might, if you are in the US, I highly recommend to switch to Weeble or Robinhood. You can either message IBKR as well and check if they can, if there anything comes into effect with the T+1 because all the other brokers are doing it, I'm pretty sure. MGOL, I just went over that one. I mentioned that there's a possible breakout coming on this. Falling wedge, possible setup to go up. POAI. So someone's going to ask me, is POAI done? Why are you going to ask me, is POAI done? Just because it's not running 20-30%, you think that the stock is done. Guys, everyone just needs to relax. The stock has to breathe. Let it chill out. Let it calm down. It's up 49%. Relax. It's not done. Just relax. How do I know that? Because it's still holding the support level. How much higher is it going to go? I have no idea. I know that there is a probability it'll go up, but we need to wait for open and see what happens. Just relax. Relax. It's not done. People think a stock is done because it's not running 20-30%. Just calm down. What stocks are you looking at open? All these stocks on the left. The blue ones are above $1, orange are sub $1. These purple are just the meme stocks. Yeah, Mullen's moving, yeah, with memes. Will the volume go back to MGOL sometime as well? I feel like all the penny stocks. Yeah, they do. You're right, Sophia. You are correct. So yeah, they will all. And then the thing is as well is if you start to understand chart patterns, you can start to identify that if they are, right, if they are setting up in bullish chart patterns, there's a probability that they will go up. Like up the stream, guys. We have 120 people in here. I think this is a record. So well done, everybody. We have 74 likes. Let's see if we can get a little more. MULN. There's a volume spike there. Nothing on it, though. Right, I need to head into Discord. TPHS seems having activity. TPHS. What activity is it? TPHS. Strange volume. Not my kind of style trade. Yeah, nothing on this, unfortunately. I don't really like this trade. It has a wick to fill all the way up here, if anything. It's 0.195. That's all. I hope VHAI. I've posted VHAI like 100 times. I don't. Why is everybody talking about VHAI? Can someone please explain? I don't know why everyone's going on about it. There's nothing has changed. Nothing. Zero. Nothing has changed on the stock. It is in an uptrend. That is it. That is it. That is it. Peggy breaking 5-minute downtrend. Yep. Guys, look. I predicted it when it was up here. So, yeah. In my opinion, it's going to keep going up. It's going to keep going up now. Jiwai-chan Weeble. Yes, this is Weeble right here. This is the exact same setup I have when I do live trading for members in the Discord every day. KITT. Extremely low volume. I personally would avoid it. It's coming into demand zone. That's what I would have for now. OPTT looks good. Yeah, I think I've charted and I actually liked it. No, yeah, nothing unless 0.28 on OPTT. ASTI is gone. I haven't looked at any top gainers. I've just been looking through charts. ASTI is gone. Where's it gone? It's down 4%. But let's see what's happening here. ASTI, former runner in this little demand zone here. See, ASTI, it is moving though. I would say this 0.145. Right, let's see. Right, I'm gonna go over these last things and then I'm done, guys. And then I am finito. So here's a very simple one. If it breaks above 0.154 here, then you can look for safe entries. That is, gives you a confirmation of a breakout of probability of it going up. Right now it is trying to reverse, but we don't know if it's going to continue. We know if it continues only if it breaks above that yellow line. So here is ASTI. So ASTI, wait for break above 0.1540. Guys, please, can you all subscribe? We have a lot of new people in here. I would greatly appreciate it. We are posting a lot of YouTube videos. So make sure that you are subscribed as well. Hello, is there a big difference between Amex stocks and NASDAQ? I just focus on NASDAQ, bro. I appreciate the answer for you. No worries. No worries, Ricky. So yeah, I mean, look, Ricky, the thing is, I just think about it logically, even if you don't know trading. If a stock is going to hold this level, right? If it's going to hold this orange level, which is the support, into open, it means that the buyers are holding this price because they expect it to go up, right? That's all I would do. So what that means is if they are holding this price here, there is a higher probability it will go up. It doesn't mean buy now, but that just is a higher probability. If it holds this level into open, there is a probability it will go up then down, right? That's all I would say. Right, ASTS, and then I'm going to be pretty much done, guys. ASTS. ASTS, yeah, it's looking good. Now we have room to here. 575 on ASTS. I actually do like this stock. I traded it very well last week, so we will see what it does do. But it's a little bit slow one. Discord link. Wondering strategy for penny stocks is to look for them. Low demand zone. Each week will go up. All I do is, Sophia, it's very simple. I add all the top gainers to my watch list between, I would say, $1 to $10. Add them to my watch list from pre-market open, which was 5 hours ago. So from pre-market open all the way to market open, I have about 30 of them on my watch list. I have all of these here. Once market opens, I only maybe 2 or 3 of them hold into open that actually have volume and that respect levels. Then all I do is I wait for my setups that I give in the Discord, and then that's all I trade. Every single day, same thing. So I just clean my watches up every day. Discord link is here, guys. This is the only Discord. Please, can you guys, if you want to join, this is the only link. We're not in a Telegram, WhatsApp, none of that BS. Okay? If you want to join, it's on here. We do live trading, live seminars, all the educational content, alerts, all the entries, stop loss is all in there with myself and Hassie. We are not part of anything else. Tigerline Trading is the only one myself and Hassie are in. We both run it together. Lucy, I like Lucy. Look, it's in a falling wedge setup. So yeah, it's still setting up very well. I like it. Is Peggy on my watch list? Mode, look left. And Peggy's there. Yes, it is. Well done. Guys, also one thing for new people. because these are on my watch list. A watch list does not mean I'm in them. It doesn't mean buy them. It doesn't mean full port. It doesn't mean anything. Okay? All it means is it's in the name. I'm watching this stock. The reason why I'm watching these stocks is because they have high probability of setting up the way that I like to look for my entries. That's it. It doesn't mean that I'm in the stock or buying it. It doesn't mean anything, right? I will wait. I will wait. Discord, Twitter, YouTube. Yeah, the Discord is, guys, the difference between Twitter and Discord. Twitter, I just share setups that I expect to go up, and I help out my followers if they have any chart requests. That's it. If I enter any trade with any setup or anything, or if you want to learn why I got in the trade, how I got in the trade, how to do and trade how we do, it's all in the Discord. Everything is there. So if you want to join, the link is there. If there's spots available, they will be. If not, they will be open at the beginning of the month. So you can wait till then if you want. Hollow is here, guys. This is the last chart I'm going to go over. Hollow is right here. It is in a falling wedge 4-hour time frame. There is a high probability it will go up. I expect it to go up. That is why I'm in the trade. Is it going to go up? I don't know. But I know that if I get into the setup here, there's a high probability of going up then down. Please keep your stop loss. Members in the Discord, you know what to do. I will catch you there. All right. Thank you guys for the stream. We had a great day. I greatly appreciate everyone. Thank you so much. I will do my best, right? I will do my best to post on Twitter as much as I can, but my focus is in the Discord. So if you are there, everyone catch me in the Discord. I will see you there. Have a great day, guys.